Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove and forget your Apple Airpods from your Android phone. So maybe you're having a difficult time connecting it to another device and you just want to go ahead and unpair it. So from the top, let's scroll on down and then go to settings right here. Otherwise we can hold down on Bluetooth simply right here. And it'll bring us to the Bluetooth setting page. Just locate your AirPods and select the settings button next to it. And then go to Forget Device. It says Forget Device. Your phone will no longer be paired with AirPods. Forget the device. And then you can go to a new device. Just open up the case. And it should start syncing with them. If not, press the button on the back. And this will put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. And that little white light will begin to blink. And you should be able to repair it to another device. So you can see my AirPods are showing up on my Android phone once again. So maybe you're just having an issue with it. You can just disconnect it and then reconnect it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.